ready to build your own intelligent chatbot that truly understands and responds like a human. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through creating a dynamic chat program powered by Gemini, Google's cutting-edge AI. First, we need to get our AI talking. This involves setting up your environment and obtaining the necessary API keys to access Gemini's powerful language models. Think of this as opening the door to limitless conversational possibilities. Next, we'll focus on the user interface, the crucial window through which users will interact with your AI. We'll cover designing an intuitive and visually appealing chat layout that makes sending and receiving messages a breeze. The heart of our project lies in implementing the conversational logic. This means crafting the flow of dialogue, understanding user intent, and leveraging Gemini's natural language processing to generate relevant and engaging responses. Finally, we'll explore how to personalize the experience. This could involve remembering previous conversation topics, adapting to user preferences, or even tailoring the AI's tone. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to creating a sophisticated AI chat program that offers a truly intelligent and personalized user experience. Let's get started.